So this is a legitimate way to go about getting this block. There's one more approach though that adds a bit more flexibility, which is creating a content type instead of a block type and then using the view to generate the block. You've created enough views by now that you've seen the option in the initial views wizard to create a page or create a block. Let's go through the process of creating the custom content type in views block and contrast it with the approach we just took with creating a custom block type. Let's create our custom content type. I'm going to go to Structure, Content Types, Add Content Type. We'll call this Featured Adventure. We'll set the title to full name. Unlike blocks, we can use the title in any location within the block if we use views. Let's click Save and Manage Fields. We'll change the body to Description. Save the settings. And now let's add an image field. Call this photo and we'll set the machine name to Featured Adventurer Photo. So all this is pretty much identical to what we did with our custom block type. We'll save the field settings. We'll set the file directory to Featured Adventurer and click Save Settings. And we're not going to configure Manage Display because we're going to use a fields display in views. So let's add our adventurer. We'll go to Content, Add Content, Featured Adventurer. For the full name, we'll put Josie Jones. We'll add some lorem ipsum for the description, and we'll select her photo. We'll click Save and Publish.